Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer tax-exempt certificates using Avalara Exemption Management, detailed guide step-by-step clearly. To begin transferring tax-exempt certificates using Avalara Exemption Management, log in, navigate to the Exemption Management section from the dashboard. Select the Certificates tab to view the list of your existing tax-exempt certificates. Identify the certificate you wish to transfer. Click on the checkbox next to the certificate you want to select. Look for the Actions drop-down menu at the top of the page. Choose the Transfer option from this drop-down. In the pop-up window, input the recipient's details. This includes their name, email address, and any relevant identification numbers. Ensure all information is accurate to avoid delays. After entering the details, click on the Send Transfer button. The recipient will receive an email notification about the transfer. They will need to follow the instructions in the email to accept the certificate. Once the recipient accepts the transfer, you can check the status of the transfer in the Transfer History section. This section will provide details about the status of each transfer. If necessary, you can also cancel an ongoing transfer from this section. To do this, click on the transfer entry and then select the Cancel option. Make sure to communicate with the recipient throughout the process. Confirm that they have received and accepted the transferred certificate. Review your account periodically to ensure all transfers are complete. By following these steps, you can efficiently transfer tax-exempt certificates using. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmations. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.